We're back again.
I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life. Okay, today we're talking about the white t-shirt. And it's fall. We're super excited about fall.
We're ready to take on fall with a white t-shirt.
It's one of those basic building blocks. So we wanted to show you several different ways to wear a white tee. So we started off with kind of, for me, this is kind of a go-to. I love it with the shorts and, of course,
Creepers.
Creepers.
They're her fave.
I love it. But yeah, just simple white tee, threw on a boyfriend blazer, but I mean, I could easily wear it without. What have you got going on?
So fall, I love pleather and I love oxblood. And so if there's anything that I love, it's this skirt right here. It's got pockets, it's from Target, it's super great.
Really cute.
Paired it with obviously my white shirt and a wide chunky belt. And then I kind of played with this similar color. So I did hot pink flats and the oxblood and then this like magenta hair tie. So
really cute.
Yeah, really fun.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Great.
All right. Well, let's, we're going to try a different look. All right, Seth, tell me about your look.
So for fall, I'm way into animal print, and you should be too because it's everywhere right now. Whether you love Dalmatians or zebras or cows, snakes,
I mean,
whatever it is, leopard,
you
you got it. So this midi skirt and some ankle boots. My ankle boots have velvet on them, so I'm kind of playing with texture. White shirt, obviously, and then a scarf and this nice beret. I feel like I have this Parisian chic going on right now. So.
It's really fun, and I love the way you treated the animal print more like a neutral, and you threw in another print. I mean, that's one of the things that's really fun about this fall and kind of going into winter is we're just mixing up these prints like nobody's business.
Ooh.
A boot, I love it.
Yeah,
I love it. The pop of color. I went super simple. Again, it's just, this is kind of how I roll. I love throwing I talk about it all the time, a third piece. It just makes me feel more comfortable. So I've got a tee on, but then I just threw this fun fitted
camo tank
top over the top. It gives me just a little bit of texture, kind of fun, but super easy to wear. And just these little flats and some jeans.
Cute.
And I could put on the blazer again. That would be a fun.
You're going out later.
Yeah. All
awesome.
right. All right.
So fun. Loving that blazer.
I know, it's just a fun, I don't know.
It's a good staple.
It's a good staple because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It just kind of always makes you feel like I don't know. I always feel a little bit put together when I've got it on.
Oh, thank you.
Tell me about your jacket.
I'm in love with this jacket. I got it a couple years ago. Velvet, embroidered. My absolute favorite thing in the fall. I put it with leopard jeggings.
Very nice.
And my white tee, some jewelry, these more statement-y necklaces, and bam, you got an outfit going on.
Wham bam. I just love how versatile a simple basic piece like a basic tee is. So, and I just threw it on with this skirt. I went with the combat boots and I threw a little bit of animal print in there because I could. And this is just like a tube top, and it was one of my favorite like weird purchases, but I love it as a third piece.
Yeah, it's great.
It works really well, kind of ties things together, makes me feel
put together.
Awesome. All right, well, guess what?
If you like the video.
If you like the t-shirt.
Oh yeah, if you like the t-shirt.
We know where you could get one. Go to our website.
We are selling white and black basic tees, which are fabulous.
They're wonderful. But all in all, a basic white tee is one of the perfect building blocks for your wardrobe. So do it.
So do it. But also, If you like the video, like it, follow us,
Share
the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we love making these videos and we hope that you love watching them. So
yeah, so comment below, let us know how you like this. See ya.
Bye.